Let's create an Illumy account. Go to app.illumy.com. Sign up. The sign up is right down there. So click on sign up. To create an account, fill in the following fields: first name, last name, and you're going to choose an Illumy username. You can use letters, numbers, periods, hyphens, underscores. Choose a password. You can see if you typed what you thought you typed. This is case sensitive. In this case, they match. And then you're going to put in a recovery email at the bottom. And this is the email that's going to be used for account security and other important information to be sent if you can't get to this data. In this case, I'm going to put in So when I make the account, I'm going to create a jamiedoe1010 at illumy.com. I'm going to send the two-factor authentication to jamiedoe101 at hotmail.com. Now we're going to click up on the sign up free button. Now you got to go to the email you put in right here, the Hotmail in my case. I'm going to jump over to Hotmail. I'm going to look for a message to here. Here's the email up here. There's my verification code. Make sure if you highlight this, you only highlight the numbers. Otherwise, type it in. I'm going to jump back over here. Put it in here. So that number, submit. Code was entered successfully. And now you should be able to log in with your new account. So we're going to put in. That should be enough. You can put at illumy.com, but it's not required. And our password. Double check if you'd like. Hit the little I icon. Secret 101, maybe. Sign in. Now you have. And it's you right there. Jamie Doe is you. If you click on that, you can see this will be your email and message and file content stream.